Alright, what's going on, drone people of the world? You know, I remember that when I bought this, I did a review on it, but then I got rid of my old channel, so I thought I would re-review this. This is the Hogs Millennium Falcon quadcopter. There are some things about it that annoy me, and we're going to go over those real fast, but I like the look of it. It's very nostalgic. If you're a Star Wars fan, man, when this thing flies, it looks really cool at night, and we'll go over all that stuff. But I will tell you, there's some annoyances with me because I started off flying gyros, and when you fly gyrocopters, man, you get used to that stabilization, and when that stabilization gets removed from what you're used to, then you run into problems flying it manually. But it took me a while, but I finally got this pretty much down pat. Alright, so basically, sorry guys, I had to stop there for a minute. We had Temple Terrace pull up here in the parking lot, and he was asking me what I was up to, and I was explaining to him, doing some reviews late night. I'm in my favorite 7-Eleven parking lot, as you guys can see, and this is one of my favorite places to fly. But the reason I'm out here is because there's absolutely no wind right now, and that is perfect for this because it's made of foam to fly. So I apologize, my autofocus keeps fucking up, but I do want to go over this. I'm going to turn this on real quick so you guys can have a look at it. Very cool, man. The blue lights look awesome. I'm sorry my phone is really having a problem focusing on how cool the lights look. It also has the front LEDs. It's just a very sweet look, and it flies okay. It's not very stable, though. That's the only problem. The controller makes all sorts of noise. It is a Mode 2 controller. We'll go ahead and turn this off because we're not ready to fly yet. It comes with a built-in charge port right there, so you can charge it off the batteries. You can turn the sound on and off. It's got a little turbo mode. If you push this, it goes into like warp. If you push that little play button on the other side with the little play thing right there, it makes character noises and stuff like that. But still, it's pretty cool. I think I picked this up for about 80 bucks, man. My girlfriend bought it for me. But let's go ahead and take this out and fly it, and I'll tell you guys what I think, man. Alright guys, let's get this thing kicked off here. Got the lights on, we're gravy. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the controller, pair it up. Looks like we're good to go. We got blinking lights. This is a very slow flyer. You do not want to fly this fast. If you do, it'll go into vortex ring state real quick. You see what I'm talking about, that vortex ring state? It gets in it real quick. Doesn't take long. Alright, so all in all, guys, it's fun. It's there for nostalgia purposes. That's really all it's good for. It's not good with any kind of breeze or wind because it's made of foam, and right now we just got a little breeze, and you know, it was enough to knock it down and put it in vortex ring state pretty quick. So, you know, it is what it is. It's fun if you got some Star Wars fans at your house and you're flying the Millennium Falcon around. I'm sure it's, you know, it's a geek toy. That's what it is. I kind of shelf life it most of the time. We fly it every once in a while just for fun, but you know, I remember I did a review, got rid of the review when I got rid of my old channel, so I figured it was time to redo this review. As you can see, it's not a horrible flyer, it just has zero stabilization, and it hits vortex ring state really, really easy. But guys, you really buy it for nostalgia, face it, man. You know, it would have been nice to see a gyro system put in it, make it a little, you know, more stable all around, but it is what it is. Alright, so drone worship, and I'm out. Toodaloo.
Give yourself to the dark side.